Good morning, guys. We are back at Ikea to do an Ikea shop with me. Honestly, I just came for a few knickknacks to pick up a couple of things for an Ikea hacks video that I want to get done for you guys, and that is pretty much it. I do need to get stuff for a closet makeover and to finish up my dining room area. However, I might look at that stuff today, but I'm not gonna purchase it. I'm gonna come back, especially because my car is so small and fits like nothing in it. I can't get absolutely everything that I need today. This is why I'm seriously thinking about getting a Jeep again and getting the big Jeep, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I definitely need a bigger car, seriously, just because I do all this stuff and I have no space in my car, but that's a whole nother video topic. But let's head on in to Ikea and hopefully they have some of the new arrivals out, fingers crossed. I looked online and it didn't look too good, but we'll see what they have in this location. Looks like I won't be getting my cool escalator clip that I always get in the beginning of these videos today. Gotta take the elevator. These coffee tables are cute, as well as these. If I needed curtains, I would get these. They're like a charcoal gray. This is what the name is. They're so pretty. This is such a cute bathroom. These white tiles, like when I get my own place and I own it, this is definitely what I'm getting. This little ledge is cute too. Everything in here is cute. Okay, everyone asked me last time what this was, and this is just the new Besta option that you have as far as the door covers. It's like honeycomb. I really like it. I think I'm gonna get this for my entryway little table space that I have, but not today. I'm gonna still think about it, but it is cute. I have two of these in my living room, but I think I need a mirror for my room, so I might go with this one. It's only $50 because there's no mirror in my room and I can't see my outfit at all in there. Not sure though. Or I get the $30 one. This kitchen setup is super cute. I wonder if you can get this smaller, like those over there, and just put it on the ground as a dresser, because this like nude, it's like a nude gloss. It looks so good. I actually am going to go look at that over there and see if I can get it. It looks so good. These hanging plants actually would look really good on my balcony, so I might pick those up when I go down to the marketplace. So they do have all of the new patio stuff out, and the first thing that I see that I love are these, because you can put any fake plant in them. $24.99 I think, or $19.99 for the stand. And then over here, they have so much greenery too, by the way, guys. Look at these pillow covers. This is like one of my favorite colors. And then look at these knit ones. They're so beautiful. And these are just like outdoor pillows. I might need to pick up a few. There's like so many different ones. And this patchwork one, like so much stuff. This is kind of how they have the patio set up. Not really a fan because I don't like the yellow and pink. It's kind of ridiculous, but everything else looks cute. Oh my gosh, guys, cement planters. What is going on? $4.99. Don't see one I love. I like this. I have nowhere to put it. This is like my dream wedding. Update, still no new bathroom stuff, still the same stuff. I'm patiently waiting for them to get a new collection. Still have this, just doesn't match anything. These lamps are new and they're definitely like a more minimal version of the lamps that they already have. I like this one, $34.99. I was like, what are these? These are new, they're portable speakers. This one's actually kind of cool looking. Still very interesting. Moment of truth. Did they get the lights back in stock that I need? We're walking over, we're gonna see. Yes, they do have them. $6.99 for these. These are really pretty too. These are like so cute, especially for a little girl's room. And then they have these mini ones. Did I see these last time? I think I did. I really like these too. I might try these and these and these for my balcony because I think these are so cute. Okay, and you guys taught me that the water drop means they're waterproof. So where's the water drop? Do we have a water drop, people? For indoor and outdoor use, but there's no water drop. All right, now I'm just really confused. I think I'm caving, getting 2 of these. Guys, they do have the hand, it just wasn't on display. Guys, always check the Vases section. I just found this vintage, one of their little vintage patchwork rugs for $44. It's gonna look so good in my bathroom. So this is everything that I'm getting, not too much. All right, guys, I think I got everything like I kind of came to get. There were a few things that they didn't have in stock. Shocker. I didn't have time today to drive to the further location. That one had everything in stock I needed, but it's like an hour away. So I'll probably head over there this weekend and get the pieces that I need. However, I did find some things that I probably will be coming back to pick up because I'm like absolutely in love with them. But I'm gonna head home and share with you guys a haul and show you guys everything I got. So let's head back. Okay, so I figured I would film my haul this way this time so I can show you guys the names of each piece as well as explain to you how much I paid for each item. That way, if you guys wanna pick any of these up, it's super easy and you already know what to expect as far as pricing. So, first thing I got is one of these patchwork rugs. This is just pretty much Ikea's version of a vintage rug. I've had my eye on these for a while. However, this size is $90 originally. So I ended up getting it for $44.90 and I can take this off because I'm for sure gonna keep it. The actual name of the rug, is it on here? Yes, it's the Slickaborg. So here, you can kind of see it under there, Slikkeborg, that is the name of it. I would check your Vases section because even the last time I went to Ikea, they had a bunch of these. They had a really gorgeous purple one and I am kicking myself for not getting it. However, purple is just like such a random color for me to get, I feel like. Okay, and then the next thing that I got were one of these concrete vases. Originally, I was going to get a few, but I put them back because I was like, do you really need multiple? This is such good quality, guys. I literally hit this against my concrete wall in my complex and it didn't break. It's not even like scratched or anything. So I'd highly recommend. This is the name on there and this was $4.99. This is the smallest one. It comes in small, medium, and there is even a large one. Next, I got this vase set of just 2 different vase pieces. This is for a hacks video and these together both were $14.99. I went to Michael's and paid like $10 for one vase that I wasn't really in love with, so I decided to pick this up. So excited to use that. The next thing that I got were just 2 of these frames. Now in this particular size, they are $4.99 each. If you get the smaller size, they are $3.99 each. My doorbell just rang and I seriously feel like I'm not expecting a package. I don't know what it is. I'm not excited about it. So we're just gonna continue with the haul. Okay, the next thing that I got were 2 of these little guys here. And let me check the receipt because I don't remember how much they were. Oh, these were $4.99 each. And they're just like a mesh net little, I don't know what you would call this, like a little bag. It's not a basket, it's a bag. Yeah, so there's 2 of these. I got 2 because I did see someone had these like hung up in their kitchen and they look really cute and they put their fruits in them. And since my kitchen is so small, I thought that that was actually a pretty good idea, but I thought of the coolest hack for these. So using one for a hack and using one to hang up in the kitchen. Next, I've been eyeing this piece for a while. It's just their wooden hand decor. This was $12.99. I've had, like, they had the little wooden man before, and I used it in an Ikea Hacks as a jewelry holder, and then I pretty much got rid of most of my jewelry, so it wasn't serving a purpose, so I did give that away and went ahead and picked this up. I'm either gonna use this in my room or for my entryway. And then I picked up 2 of these. These are like battery powered lights. The first ones are just like smaller versions of what I have as my outdoor lights. I saw how they have them hung on the wall here, and that's really what enticed me to purchase them because I think that this actually looks so cute. So I really think I'm gonna try and recreate something similar to this in my space because I think it will look kind of cool where my entryway table is to have some little lighting. And then I got these. You guys know in my last Ikea video, I was looking for them. They were completely sold out. These were, I believe, $6.99. So I think these are a really good deal. You get 40 of these little bulbs in here. And then lastly, I just got this faux plant. It's one of those long ones that hangs up and hangs down really long. And this particular name, there it is. And this was $9.99. I'm not sure if I can find this cheaper, like with a coupon at my craft store. So if I do, I will just return this little guy, but I need that for one of my Ikea hacks planned. So that is everything I got from Ikea for today. I think in my next video, I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna purchase the stuff, show you guys what I got, and then also show you guys putting it together, styling it in my home. So kind of like an Ikea shop with me / room makeover video. I think you guys will really like that. So stay tuned for those. But again, I hope you guys just enjoyed this quick little trip with me to Ikea and a haul, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!